Yeah, just in the first question, obviously it was within the protocol and the laws way back in when I was water carrier. So I'll be back in the coaches box with the coaches on the first one, and then the second one was yeah, how do we shape up? I mean, we've got a proper hiding 38-3, as you said correctly. So, but then the next 2 years, things got better and we managed to win the World Cup. So, I guess 5 years since then. Both teams has changed dramatically in terms of how they do things and how they play. So obviously the way Ireland has played and the teams they've beaten to be where they are currently, they are doing a lot of things right on and off the field, obviously. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. We know we're in for stiff competition, and with a crowd like I'm used to, the Irish crowd is a very respectful crowd who enjoys both sides of the game. So yeah, I think it's going to be a good one to watch as well.
I might be wrong.
Stay there, Lindsay. Help! Even a step up. Gas erop, gas erop. Ja. Goed.